Teacher name is Teacher Iwana IB Abdullah.
The name of our project is Bob the Cleaning Bot.
We choose to make this project so that disinfecting floors would be a whole lot easier for the users. Due to the recent pandemic happening around the world, disinfecting public places such as schools, offices, and malls is a must. However, people are usually more focused on disinfecting the hands rather than the premises. Some people don't know that viruses can also be brought around through the shoes. Shoes can bring a lot of nasty diseases everywhere you go. Therefore, the automatic sanitizing sprayer in this robot will kill those bacteria and viruses that the shoes brought inside the premises. This will make it safer for everyone, especially small kids and the elderly people.
Objective. Our objective is to help the users disinfect the floor of that certain place easier with a robot that will do it automatically. Disinfecting the floor manually could cause back problems because we would have to bend over in order to spray it and wipe it with a mop. Unlike any other automatic mopping robot around the whole world, this will instead squirt out rubbing alcohol with automatic sprayer. The rubbing alcohol will get squirted out by the automatic sprayer with a timer, making the whole premises safe and clean from the virus that come from our shoes.
Aerosol cans are one of the tools that use the principle of gas compression under high pressure. When the gas is compressed, the gas will be stored in a liquid form instead of coming out if not used. The aerosol can has a compressed gas that will push the liquid out through the tube. When the button is pressed, the valve goes into the can to give space to the liquid until it comes out. The high-pressure compressed gas pushes the liquid out of the can upward, and once the liquid is released, it will be released as gas.
Methodology. Step 1. Attach the wheels to the car cases. Step 2. Attach the components and wire it. Step 3. Replace the aerosol can with a hand sanitizer bottle and attach the servo motor to the spray. Step 4. Do the coding. Step 5. Build the body and decorate it. Once the switch is flicked, the three most important components of this robot will start to move. First is the sponge. This sponge is moved by the motor in a circular motion in order to dry out the rubbing alcohol sprayed on the floor, because last time I checked, no one likes a wet floor. Number 2 is the automatic sprayer. We actually use an automatic aerosol sprayer, but we place the liquid with rubbing alcohol, and we also put a servo motor on top of the button, so when the servo motor moves to press the button, it will set it at the time you want to. This will keep that certain area safe and clean. Thirdly is the L298N motor and the Arduino Uno board. This is where the coding enters and generates power for the tires, ultrasonic sensor, and servo motor. This will help it command it to avoid obstacles. As you can see, this is how the robot looks like with its body. This robot will keep moving forward until it detects an obstacle such as a wall. It will reverse and turn the other way. Contribution to development of society. The automatic sanitizing spray in this robot will kill bacteria and viruses around public places. This robot also saves our time and effort. Besides that, this robot also makes that certain place clean and safe for everyone that enters and exits. Marketable value. This robot is very easy to carry around. It is also suitable for global indoor use such as malls, offices, and schools. This robot saves more time compared to manual mopping or spraying. This robot is also very long-lasting. Effects to quality of nature. One of the benefits of using this robot is that it's safe for users of all age. It is also eco-friendly. This robot will not harm the environment in any way possible. It is also very easy to use. Just a flick of a switch and it will start to work.
In the future of this robot, we are hoping that we could upgrade more of the robot's ability by making the robot able to scan percentage of the bacteria on the floor and squirting out just the right amount of rubbing alcohol to kill the bacteria and the virus drop.
In conclusion, we have learned many things throughout our journey of making this robot. One of them is applying science concepts outside the classroom. Another one is learning about how do air pressures work in the aerosol can, which is not usually questioned by many people. Another one is how to code using Arduino IDE and making something new out of it, like our sanitizing robot. And the last one is training our minds on how to be creative and innovative during the making of this robot, which is also applied to IR 4.0.
That's all we have for today.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace!